Next up, we're going to do a modified bed bath. This will include the patient's face, the arm, hands, and armpit. Okay, just the one side, not both sides. Okay, so what we'll need is a privacy blanket, pair of gloves, a new clean gown, about 4 washcloths, 1 drying towel, and your basin filled with water. So I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves on. Fill up my water. Fill up my basin with water. Check the temperature. Ask the patient to check if it's okay. If she says it's okay, I'm going to go ahead and cover her up with the privacy towel. Move the blanket. Okay, this is where we would undo her gown. Okay, go ahead and undo her gown. This will be dirty. You can place it in the dirty linen. Okay. We're going to place this towel underneath her arm so that we don't forget it. So we're going to go ahead and start with the face. With the face, we never use any soap, so we're just going to do plain water. Okay, we're going to use the 5 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5. We're going to go ahead and start from the eyes. We're going to go from inner to outer of the first eye, inner to outer of the other eye. Okay? We're going to flip it over, go to the forehead, flip it over, cheek, flip it over the other cheek. Okay? We're going to go ahead and separate this because it's dirty. We can use the washcloth to pat dry. We can go ahead and pat dry the patient's face. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and get this washcloth wet. Place some soap on 5 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to go ahead and wash the arm first, and then the hands, and then the armpit. Okay, so I'm going to wash the arm, all over the arm. Okay, we're going to flip it over, wash the hands, in between the fingers, the palm, flip it over. We're going to do the armpit. Okay, and then this goes in the dirty. We're going to go ahead and dip this with just water, no soap, because we're going to go ahead and rinse. So we're going to go ahead and rinse the arm, flip it over, rinse the hands, flip it over, rinse the armpit, and then that goes in the dirty area. You're going to use your towel to pat dry. So you're going to pat dry the arm, pat dry the hands in between the fingers, and pat dry the armpit. It goes in the dirty area. You're going to go ahead and grab the clean gown. You're going to go ahead and dress her. Try to cover up the patient as much as possible. Make sure you tie the back. All right. You can go ahead and cover her up. Remove the privacy blanket. And then you can toss all of this to the dirty linens. Grab your basin, dump it, rinse it about twice. Make sure you dry it and put it away in the dirty designated area. Go ahead and remove your gloves. Throw it in the trash. do your clothing procedure.